And on day 2 of former US President Donald Trump's hush money trial, 7 jurors were selected.
Right, and the selection procedure continues to choose panel of 12 members and 6 alternates who can be fair to the former US President Donald Trump.
Now this process, it started with jurors going through a questionnaire phase in which they were questioned by the district attorney's office and Trump's lawyers as well. The panelists selected included an information technology worker, an English teacher, an oncology nurse, a sales professional, a software engineer, and 2 lawyers.
During the procedure, Trump appeared nonchalant and was frequently flipping through the process, often leaning back in his chair. And in one instance, Trump was audibly muttering while one of jurors was speaking. Former U.S. President spoke against the judge overseeing the trial and called him conflicted.
We are going to continue our fight against this judge. We think he's totally conflicted. He's a conflicted judge. As you know, we're in appeal. I don't think there has ever been a judge more conflicted than this one, so we'll see how that all works out. We're having a hard time. We're having a hard time with the New York State system. It's under watch by the whole world, and it's not looking very good. So we think we have a very conflicted, highly conflicted judge. He shouldn't be on the case, and he's rushing this trial, and he's doing as much as he can for the Democrats. This is a Biden-inspired witch hunt, and it should end very quickly. Thank you very much.
Trump further went on to say that he does not think that he violated the gag order, which is prohibiting him from talking to witnesses in his New York trial. This comes as prosecutors asked Judge Juan Merchan to sanction Trump for what they say were violations.
The Manhattan case accuses the Republican contestant for 2024 presidential elections of falsifying business records to cover up a sex scandal during his 2016 campaign.
The first criminal trial facing former President Donald Trump is also the one in which Americans are least convinced that he committed a crime. A new AP North Center report on public affairs research polls finds that only about 1/3 of the US adults think that Trump did something illegal, while close to half think that he did something illegal in the other 3 criminal cases pending against him. And they're fairly skeptical that Trump is getting a fair shake from the prosecutors in the case so that the judge and the jurors can be impartial.